welcome back to my channel. Join me as I show you step by step on how I prepare these irresistible potato dumplings. Let's get started. Now I will show you the list of ingredients that I will use in this video. Potatoes, I'm using 5 potatoes, flour, breadcrumbs, butter, spice and herbs, and bacon. Okay, so we'll start by peeling the potatoes. If it's your first time, you're welcome to my channel. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment and tell me where you're watching from. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Continue watching. Okay, so now I'll dice my potatoes. So first I cut them in half and then again in half. This way they will boil, they will cook faster. So this is what it's looking like. I'll add water and I'll boil until the potatoes are soft. Okay, so now I'll add water for the potatoes to boil and we'll see you when it's done. Okay, now let's check if our potatoes are done. It's like 20 minutes and they're done. So now I'll off the heat and I'll strain the water off. So I'll just mash the potato while it's hot. Okay, so now I'll leave it to cool and then we'll move to the next step. Okay, our potato it's now cool, so I transferred it to a bowl. And now I'll season the potatoes with my spice and herbs. Now add in some salt. Make sure that you taste your potatoes to check if the flavor it's okay. Okay, now I'll add the flour. Now we'll make our dough. So this is what it's looking like. I dust with flour. I have water here. I'm waiting for it to boil. Inside it's salt. So okay, so now the water is boiling. Just going to take like this and gently put inside the water. Top like this. So I'll just give it 5 more minutes, then I'll remove. Okay, now I'll remove. This is what it's looking like. Okay, now I'll wait until the butter is melted. I'll add some just a little of the breadcrumbs, not all. And there you have it, delicious potato dumplings tossed in breadcrumbs and served with bacon and sour cream. It's bad enough. Let me know what do you think about this video in the comment section and tell me if this is something that you will try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Very tasty.